Ceiling tiles. It's with the door open. We've also sealed the carpet on this end, painted the bottom, also painted the bottom in the cab. There's no rust or anything. We replaced the seats. Then you've got your seat covers. Handles, they're swivel seats. They will go back around. Redid the entire dash. Pinstripe dash, new engine cover piece. For ceiling, we have fur at this point in time. Just put the new trim up there. This cabinet was specially made steampunk for this van. These are props for the show that are not for sale with the van. So you'll just have a nice faux leather back, and then the bed stays. All accessories will not be for sale. You've got a before and after picture. The doors still need to be redone. We need new locks replaced. We haven't added any paneling on this door.
Yeah, I know that.
So that's our 1979 Chevy van at the show today. And then this is, of course, what it could be. These doors are still in need of paneling.
Got a lot of that around here.
Yeah, we do.
The rear doors have needed a lot of work. The paint is not perfect. We do have a nice primer of Hot Rod Black. The propellers are, of course, for 4th of July. And we do have this sticker that will easily come off. New lights. Everything's operational. We have a new panel on the van right there. It's a new panel. The bottom panel is wood, so that'll need to be replaced. We have an air unit that should go there. But we do have another dash that can replace this. This is the new engine cover. And then we have fur covering the engine, along with a high duty insulation. And the ceiling. We also have new seat belts for both sides. Original wheel. You like the van?
Super cool.
Yeah?
Mustache approved.
What do you like about it?
It's got everything you need. This is built for the road trip. This is road trip ready. This is for those people that, either a couple, single or not, jump in the van, take you where the wind goes. You got everything you need. Beds, you still got a little privacy curtain, the inside. Almost look like you're in like a Roman castle. But you still got a little comfy playfulness. It's got everything you need.
Very good.
Everything you need.
Thank you.
Come on down, check it out, pick it up. It's for sale. I would buy it if I had the money. I'm just, man, it's
You got a
perfect.
microphone?
Everything down to the like custom little pillows that's matching the bedspread there. I'm just saying. I don't think there's anything else you could have done to this van. Now, I can't get enough of this van here. I mean, look, you got like the custom. Is this polar bear shot in the North Pole or what?
Polar
I'm
bear.
saying it looks like it could be. Got the little sink that doesn't even look like a sink. It looks like a bowl sitting up there. This is so high class. Definitely for the single road person. Ceiling tiles, custom. curtains that close custom. You want curtain and then another curtain? You got 3 rooms. I mean, this thing just never ends. You like fuzz? Got plenty of fuzz. Haven't seen the inside of the door panel, but I bet you it's awesome.
Not yet.
Yeah, look, it got little cabinets, little lanterns, and books. Mystery Machine's got nothing on this van, I'm just saying. I would buy it.
Thank you.
Take pictures of your inside.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.